Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope everyone's doing really good because I am, and today we're doing one of my favorites. We are making Buttercream Huskies. But before we can go putting buttercream on our cupcakes, we need to mix up our colors, and we are adding something special other than frosting today. So let's get everything ready. First, you'll need a big bag of white buttercream, and you're going to be using that as the base of your husky. And then we're going to be making a few colors today. So these colors are recommended if you want to make your huskies look just like mine in this video, but I encourage you to be creative and mix it up. I'm going to be using gray and black for the fur of my husky, and we are also using blue for the eyes and a little bit of pink for the tongue. Okay guys, our secret ingredient, marshmallows. We're using them to make the huskies cute long snouts and their pointed ears. In my opinion, these look just like fluffy husky noses, but I'll let you be the judge. The first one you're going to want to cut in half, and that's going to be for one cupcake. And you're going to take another marshmallow and cut it diagonally. So imagine a square and just cutting it right at the corners. See? They look just like husky ears. You're going to want to prep all of your marshmallows before frosting. We're using marshmallows not only because they're delicious, but also because they can hold their shape better than buttercream, and they're light. Each cupcake has 2 jumbo marshmallows, so make sure you cut enough for each cupcake. Alright guys, here's the fun part. You're going to take one of your marshmallows you cut in half and place it on the bottom half of your buttercream poof. I recommend placing your marshmallows right after you frosted the cupcake. That way the buttercream is still sticky. Next, you'll want to stick the diagonally cut marshmallows right at the top. Great, we have the base of our husky. Now you've got to pick out your colors. I'm making gray and black huskies today, and a quick tip is to pull up a picture of a husky to match their markings to their face. Alright, start by taking your colored buttercream and squeezing a squiggly line at the base of the snout up to between the ears. This will create the bridge of the nose. Next, you're going to want to line your marshmallow ears to give them depth. Huskies have a darker line around their white, fluffy inner ear. Now, using the same color, you want to squiggle 2 lines of fur right in front of the ears. Now, he's looking a little like a raccoon or a cat at this point, so I'm going to give mine a little extra fluff on his cheeks and squiggle on some eyebrows. Just take your white and give a little squiggle down his cheeks, but don't squiggle over your gray lines. So cute. Now just squiggle on some eyebrows, and it's okay if they aren't perfect. I love huskies with bright blue eyes, and that's our next step. You'll gently squeeze a dot of colored buttercream right under the eyebrows. Next, you want to grab your black and dot the insides of your colored buttercream. These will be the pupils. While you have your black, you also want to create a big nose right at the top of the muzzle. Alright, finish them off with a smile. Perfect. And the last thing you'll need to do is dot the eyes with white to breathe a little life into your husky. Alright, we're almost done. Whenever I'm making dog cupcakes, I love to add a little tongue to a couple of them. Then you know they're tasty. Feel free to get creative and change up the faces. I would love to see what you guys can come up with. And with that, never stop decorating. Thanks for watching.